Welcome to our historical journey through the world of the Erhu, a mesmerizing two-stringed fiddle from China. Originating over 1,000 years ago, this instrument has been a profound expression of sorrow and longing in Chinese culture. Its haunting melodies evoke deep emotions, resonating with tales of love, loss, and hope. Crafted from carefully selected materials such as hardwood and snakeskin, the Erhu's unique sound is created by drawing a bow across its two strings, producing a voice that can mimic human emotion. Traditionally played in both solo and ensemble settings, it has transcended cultural boundaries, finding its place in diverse musical genres. Whether in classical performances or contemporary fusion, the Erhu continues to tell stories that words sometimes cannot express.